the nexus between terrorists and the Afghan Taliban regime is now as clear as daylight. We had been saying time and time again that there is a nexus between the suicide attacks, the terrorist attacks that are being carried out in Pakistan, that Afghan soil is being used. Afghanistan is resorting to training of these terrorists and facilitation of all kinds to these terrorists who come into Pakistan and they kill innocent civilians, they kill our security personnel, officers and jawans of the armed forces. We recently saw 2 attacks in the capital, where an attack was carried out at a Shiite mosque in Imam Barga. An attack was carried out at the district courts. And we recently saw the martyrdom of Lieutenant Colonel Gulfaraz Ahmed. The Afghan soil is not only used, but the Afghan Taliban regime is totally aligned with these terrorists, and they are fully backing these terrorists. So the DGISPR gave insight into the operation and into the response that Pakistan has given befittingly.